Hi, I'm Veronica, and I created Celestine, an AI-powered space map that connects celestial bodies to real places on Earth. Welcome aboard, Celestine. On the left, manual flight controls. On the right, your primary assistant, the onboard AI agent. Navigating the solar system is intuitive. Just select your target. A single button brings us back home to see the Earth in stunning 3D. And for planning ground missions, we can switch to the tactical 2D map. Let's greet our agent, and it will answer us with its voice.
Welcome aboard, Leo, future explorer. Prepare for an incredible journey through the cosmos. We're thrilled to have you as part of our mission.
Let's command it. Go to the moon. The navigation agent immediately plots a course.
Initiating landing sequence for Moon. Stand by.
Let's find an Earth analog for the Martian volcano, Olympus Mons. We simply click the point of interest. Analog agent gets to work. It analyzes the geological context and uses the Google Maps Places API as its own research tool. And here's the result. The agent found Medicine Lake in California and automatically plotted it on the map using the Maps JavaScript API. The highlight of the application is the ability to make a live video call with your guide.
Greetings, Explorer. I am ready to assist you. What is on your mind?
Hi, is Pluto a planet?
Explorer, that's a great question. Pluto is actually classified as a dwarf planet now, not a full-fledged planet.